boys and girls, this is your math lesson today. We're going over graphing again. So I want to review some words. Remember, data are numbers or symbols that show information. Remember, tally marks are used in a survey to collect data. We used tally marks yesterday to collect data. And a survey is a question you ask. You ask the same question to get different pieces of information. I'm going to do a pretend survey with my class. Let's say I'm standing in front of you, and what is your favorite color? I'm just going to kind of make guesses. So my choices are blue, red, green, yellow, and other. I think Amari likes blue. I think Naziah likes red. I think Jonah likes another color. He said, no, I don't like any of those. I like another one. I think Eric likes green. I think Arion likes green. I think Anaya likes yellow. I think Camden's also blue. Remember his basketball team having blue. Sean, I think, is blue. Mason, I'm going to say, is red. Antoine, I'm going to say, is blue. Jakai, I'm going to say, is blue. Now remember, when you do tally marks, you have 4, and the 5th one will cross over to make it easy to count by 5s. Laquan, I'm going to say, is other. Tyshawn, I'm going to say, is green. Cardi, I'm going to say, is blue. Sasana, I'll say, is yellow. And Spencer, I will say, is blue. So I took a survey by asking a question. I used tally marks to collect the data. So blue has a total of 7, 5, 6, 7. Red has a total of 2, green has a total of 3, yellow has a total of 2, and other has a total of 2. So if I said, how many people did I survey, you would just add these up. I'm going to make a 10 here. That's 10, 12, 14, 16. So 16 students were surveyed. So that was a survey using tally marks. All right, so that was a review. Last night I asked you to complete this. A survey, I just said ask your family, so I'm just going to pretend that I asked my family and some neighbors over the phone. So I had 5 hamburger, 1 hot dog, and 2 chicken. You should have taken your tally marks and then find your total over there. How many students like hamburgers? On my survey, it's 5. How many like hot dogs is 1. What's the favorite? And hamburger. What's the least favorite? Hot dog. And how would you change start if you added your favorite food? Well, I would add chicken. So chicken would have 1 more. So not very hard. So we did our tally marks, we found the totals, and we answered questions. The back side, if you don't have this out, get it out so we can go over it. Claire took a survey of favorite snacks. She marked 6 tallies for vegetables. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 tallies for nuts, and 8 tallies, 5, 6, 7, 8, for fruit. How many friends did she survey? Oh, that's easy. I'm just going to add it up. So I know 6 and 4 makes 10, and 10 and 8 is 18. So everyone should have the same answer for that one. So here I see 2 different surveys, right here and right here. Students took a survey for the Fun Friday activities. 7 students want a picnic. 5 students want to go to the zoo. 8 students want to watch a movie. Which chart shows these results? Okay, so 7 want to go to a picnic. Oh, that says 6, so it cannot be that one. That is 7. 5 want to go to a zoo, and 8 want to watch a movie, so it has to be this one. And then how many students were surveyed? Well, I have 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 students were surveyed. Okay, and then your homework. Again, not hard. They took a survey here. They found their totals over here. And I'm actually not going to go over this because this is fairly simple. Numbers are symbols that show information, and that is data. Okay. So again, remember I showed you yesterday 2 different kinds of graphs. This is pictograph. A pictograph I love because it uses pictures. Pictures and a pictograph. This is a bar graph. A bar graph uses bars. But both of these kinds of graphs show data. So today we're going to focus on a pictograph, which I think are very, very, very fun to do. So here you have actual pictures, and it says ask 5 classmates to pick their favorite lunch food, then draw in the picture to show each person's choice. So you all know I'm not the best artist, but I try. So let's say in our class we had 2 sandwiches. I'll make those square, kind of a line in the middle. Let's say we had 3 pizzas. I'm going to do a triangle. So this is a pictograph, boys and girls, picture graph, and we're using pictures. Let's say we had 1 hot dog. So there's the bun and there's the hot dog. And let's say we had 5 soups. I'm going to draw like a bowl. There you go. That's a pictograph. So if you said how many kids voted all together, you would say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You would say 11 students. So you can pause this and copy this down. That we're working on pictographs, picture graphs today. You can either call them pictographs or picture graphs. And this is our birthday graph in the classroom. Remember we made that huge picture graph using all different shapes for the birthdays. This is pretty easy. So next page is you show data with a picture graph. Yep. The pictures are the symbols. So here they have the favorite marble color. So you could have blue and red. So here they have 3 red marbles. And then here they have 3 blue marbles. And then this is what's called a key. The key tells you how many symbols each stands for. So each marble stands for 1 vote. So here we have a total of 6 votes. Here they did a tally mark for you. They said tennis shoes had 3 tallies, flip-flops had 5 tallies, and boots had 1 tally. So now they want you to make a picture graph. Okay, now you know Mrs. Fraser is not very good at drawing, but I will try. Okay, so I'm actually going to do different colors. So tennis shoes, I'm going to kind of draw circular with the lace coming up. So there's 3 of those. Okay, flip-flops is, I'm going to do that in blue, and that's that with a toe. And there's 5 of those. And then boots. I'll do boots in red, and there's only 1 boot. So that's my boot. And there we made a pictograph. You guys find this to be pretty easy? Yeah. Picture graphs are super duper easy. And again, they put a key down here. Each shoe equals 1 vote. Okay. So tonight for homework, I would like for you to create a picture graph of the data that they gave you with the tally marks for that one. I'd like you to answer questions on the back that they gave you, and then please do your homework page. Very, 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 very easy. So today we reviewed graphing, we reviewed some vocabulary words, data, tally marks, and survey, and then we worked on pictographs or picture graphs, either one. All right, boys and girls, have your parents dojo me if you have any questions. Okay.